Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about US dollar index just before the CPI news today at 8:30. Right now is 7:13 a.m. 8:30 we have CPI, red news, and then retail sales, right? So everybody's waiting for that, and the market is gonna move after that. USD pairs, and I think that yen also will move. Right, so let's get started here. US dollar index chart. This is the chart I made on 10. Two scenarios, bullish and bearish, before the PPI news yesterday, right? Even before that, I had this chart made. So I said that this is the bullish scenario. If we go above, if the news comes out better than expected, then US dollar start to get strong, this thing will go up, and this is where it's gonna go if it goes up, right? And then these pairs will go down, and these three pairs will go up accordingly. The other scenario was the bearish scenario, which was like this. And I said that, dovish FOMC, bad NFP, and bad unemployment numbers had some toll, and then this will probably gonna drop because of that, right? So, and it did. So, and then I said Euro USD, Pound USD, and these two pair will go up, and then USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc will go down if Yen doesn't do anything. But Yen got very, very weak, and then USD Yen went up anyway. But Euro USD and Pound USD also went up because this thing started to go down after that. Let me see if I can pull you the live chart. What the heck is that? No, not this one. Oops. This one. You can see that here, right? So it's this weak candle is all black and is coming down, nice and clean. So this is what we stand for right now. We have, CPI. So let's see what happens. And if we continue to the downside, then this thing will continue to go to the upside. These two started to go up, and then this is how I have them: Euro USD for 65 pip and Pound USD for 70 pip already. Just a small, that little tiny bit of move gave me those two trades, and then the rest I don't even bother, didn't bother trading those, right? So forget about that. So now I'm still waiting for more to come to the downside. If this thing continue dropping, continue get weaker after the news, then yes, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and News USD, they will go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc will go down. I don't even trade Newsy USD and USD Franc. So and these, maybe I'm gonna be only bothered with Euro USD and Pound USD. Another thing that I want to show you that the index chart on I made the yen index video a little while ago, right? A couple hours ago, with MT4 platform. This is the other platform, and then the chart I have here is just the upside down, and this is what I have. When I made the chart, this candle was in the making. Okay. So I have the chart saved. I'll show that later if it goes in my way. So I said that, okay, this thing bouncing from 23% line, this is my favorite line, and 90% of the time price bounce from this line here, 23%, either 40-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, but this line is very, very important in a fib calculation. So it is nicely bouncing, and then if yen start to get strong, all yen pair will be going down, right? So they already start dropping, by the way. So let's see what kind of CPI we're gonna have, and then retail sales at the same time, I guess, right? So USD continue dropping slowly, but after that, after CPI, it's gonna drop fast, I guess, if the news comes out bad, right? So let's see. So this is where we stand. And I'm also waiting, like everybody else, for the news, and let's see what happens. Right. So again, this is the current scenario here, nicely coming down here, and this was the bullish scenario, but obviously this is not working out right now, right? On the bullish side, what the heck happened here? Why it's not getting okay now? I'm still having learning this platform, and then accidentally some here there I just lose my chart, and then I do some stupid things. So anyway, But I'm learning. I'm learning, right? A new platform for me. I never used it before, but now for last week or 10 days, I'm using it. But I still have to, work with the empty port as well. So this is how it is. Let's see what kind of CPI we're gonna get, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time, and you can take advantage of that. All right, so watch this on a smaller time frame. Of course, I'll be watching for on my 40-minute, 20-minute chart to see if USD start to drop, and if that's so, I'm going to be looking for long here and short here, if I have it. If maybe only euro USD and pound USD, I'll be trading that. And of course, yen pair, if they drop, I will be taking the short entry from 7-minute chart. All right. Indian pairs, pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, all of that. Very, very nice setup. They went up big time in a straight line, and then they're supposed to drop now. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Okay. Where the heck that thing go? Okay, here. Stop.